the hands of internal colonialists. So in 1960, before 1960, our fathers and our forefathers fought against colonial rule. 64 years later, we did not, haven't seen or felt what is known as independence. So we are exercising once again our right to be independent from internal colonizers, our own brothers and sisters who turned us into slaves here in this country, economic scavengers, people who jail us because we stand up for our rights, people who say they are practicing democracy but don't allow people to vote freely, credibly in any part of the country, people who still loot and destroy. They are the ones that we are up against, and this is going to be a continuation of what we started in 2019, which was called Revolution Now Revolt. So here we are again after August, continuing to move against the political elites in this country who have destroyed the country, led by Tinubu, the current president of the country, Nigeria.
Sorry, sir. I'm so sorry, but like you're giving us a sort of
in this country. So, and everything in Nigeria is politics everywhere. Hunger is politics, poverty is political, unemployment is political, corruption is political, incompetence is political. So there's no reason to deny that we don't have a political agenda. We have a political agenda, and that is the political agenda to rescue this country. There's no question in that.
What is the main issue in Nigeria right now? Other than that, why
everything is wrong in Nigeria now. You know, governance is wrong, our culture is wrong, our geography is wrong, our healthcare is scary, our education is in shambles, our security, as you know, is the worst in the world. There's no security challenge we don't have in this country. Banditry, terrorism, general crimes, corruption, every insecurity you can imagine is affecting Nigeria. You think it needs more time? It might need more time. We have no time left. We can't wait. We can't wait. We can't wait to be for this continuous deception that somehow if you give them more time, they will change their ways. Give them more time. Look at what Buhari did. You give him more time, he bought himself a private jet. You give him more time, they bought him a house. Give them more time, the wife went to the delegation to UN. They give them more time, the son is making billions. You give them more time, they increase fuel price. You give them more time, they put you in band aid. You give you more time, in that you give them more time, they give you minimum wage. And you give them more time, they give themselves maximum wage. I don't know
for better
that you need to give
Nigeria. We also moved by
what exactly
from a different
so Nigerians know that yes,
from a different.
Let them resign.
Let them people.
Right. We know that they understand that how people pay for time. Let them talk about food.
As they see me, Nigeria don't use me finish.
Necessary to give Nigerians.
I'll be 56 years old.
I'm calling for.
Nigeria don't use me.
This is not the
Let me go
government.
kill them.
Sorry to tell you.
Let me go show them.
Yeah.
Me, I don't go talk too much.
Oh my God, it's so
Oh my god, it's so disgusting. Oh my god, it's so disgusting. You just the right thing.